While on the other side is the eldest female South American sea lion that we have here. And according to her trainer, she is the sexiest. Don't be shy, girl. Her name is Sandra. Together with trainer Jerry, say hello. Now let's continue. So guys, do you have any idea why they are called fin or feather-footed marine mammals? Any idea? Do they have feathers? Well, let's ask them. Hey ladies, do you have feathers? Well, the answer is no. It's actually because of
Para
their
mag-swimming
front
ikaw.
flippers, which are shaped like a bird's wing.
Look mo yung
See
nila.
those? The term pinnipeds may also be translated as swim-footed since their flippers do look somewhat like wings. In fact, they appear to be flying underwater as they swim from place to place. Right, ladies? And you know, they often mistake like a seal because they look very much alike. But some differences between a seal and the sea lion is the fact that they have bigger front flippers. And they also turn their back flippers, something seals cannot do. As a result, they can walk upright while on land. And that's a fun demonstration. How about a round of applause for
Galing nila,
Sina?
no? Yay!
And you know what, guys? They have this long and flexible neck. How flexible? We'll check these out. So flexible, right? How about another round of applause for Sina and Brad? As you can see, their bodies covered with a thick coat of short, coarse hair. And the whiskers help the sea lion sense of touch. They contain nerve fibers, which make them sensitive. Ooh, what a nice smile. Yay! And you can also use the whiskers to aid in navigation or to detect vibration from
Ulit nga.
the
Ulit, ano
water.
sabi?
And their small external ears, individual sense of hearing, both above and below the water surface. Sea lions, like any marine mammals, can see well both above and underwater. They have a keen eyesight but no color vision. In the wild, they inhabit waters close to shores, flat wine cliffs with tide pools, and they have a preference for rocky beaches. They have excellent climbing abilities, which can easily scale rocky wood. We'll check it out. First row from flippers. And now let's talk about their swimming abilities. And let's start with Yenny, the smartest. Sea lions are generally cruise at around 11 miles per hour using the rowing movement of their front flippers, while their back flippers are stretched out behind their bodies, functioning as rudder for steering. And that's their normal swim. Nice and easy. Thank you so much, Jenny and Trainer Perks. But when chasing their prey or escaping from predators, they can achieve a burst speed up to, ready, Sandra, 25 miles per hour. And that is surely a fast swim. How about a round of applause for Sandra, the sexy, yes. Good job, Sandra, Bakushi. Ooh, nice slide. And another one, she deserves it. So here's an interesting story about our sea lion. Did you know that the U.S. Navy has trained a few of them to take part in special operation? Yeah, that's right. They are able to hold their breath for up to 20 minutes and they can dive hundreds of feet. Abilities that even the best Navy divers would be envious of. And since cannot be detected by a radar underwater, they are thought to recognize and avoid underwater mines. Alright, ladies, are you ready? Well then, salute! Now let's march. Ready? Up, 2, 3, 4, up, 2, salute! Now this time, guys, would you please join our sea lion friends in a salute and the count of 3, Everybody please salute and make
Madam
this
Penny.
one loud. Alright guys, are you ready? Hey guys, I can't hear you. Are you ready? Alright, let me count. 1, 2, 3. Salute everybody. Thank you so much. Well, sea lions are also used to search and recover equipment from the water.
Ayan,
Let's
look mo.
go. Alright, but first,
Sabi
the
sit down,
rings.
nagsisit
Alright, players. And they got it. I want a round of applause for sea lion friends. Great job, ladies. You got your big thing. And they asking for it. Alright, trainers. After the rings, what next? We have the balls. So what do you think they get the balls? It's a ball balance. Careful, ladies. Almost there. He's steady. And fantastic. Alright, I think we got everything. The balls in the rings and the rings in the balls. Now let's
Akin
move on.
nagugat nila.
No.
Now this time
bakit
guys,
hindi natatanggal?
would you love to
Because
see a
after
dance
last
number from our
Yeah,
sea
magdadance
lion
sila.
friends? Hey
Hindi
guys,
daw.
where's the energy?
May
Would
bata
you
kasi
love
siya.
to see him dance?
Yes!
Now wiggle my strong.
Kasi may basata kasi sila.
Come on, trainers, sea lion friends. Let's move it. Clap your hands, everybody, clap. All right, ladies, show them the side by side. And the flavor dancing into the water. The waterfall day. Twisting and turning. Come on, Sandra. Nice twisted. And around the world we'll go round and round. Alright, ladies, show them the boogie boogie dance. Shiggy mama, shiggy mama. And the favorite part, the booty shake. Shake those booties. Come on, Peter Jerry. Yeah. Keep on rolling. Nice wash. Alright, ladies, show them what you brought. And ready your camera. Well, this is the best part. Steady and Oliva for the finale. Steady and let's go. Yeehaw! How about a round of applause for singer friends for the great dance number and another one for the famous as well. Please. Wow. We hope you all enjoy spending your afternoon here at the Patigaw with the new fun friends, the South American Sea Lions, Yenny and Sandra. And also hope that even after you leave, you will take this experience with you wherever you go. And remember that what we do here on land greatly affects our friends in the sea. Sea lions, like any marine animals, can survive in a crushable environment. So let's keep our surroundings clean. Aside from pollution, there are many other threats to their survival all over the world, such as climate change and illegal hunting. You can learn more about this inside the Oceanarium. Always keep in mind that we are the steward of the planet, and thus each one of us must do what we can to protect and conserve all inhabitants in Mother Earth, including ourselves. So if we have a trainer Birds and Yenny, trainer Jared and Sandra, and also here at Aquatica in Manila Ocean Park, we would like to thank everyone for visiting us today. We hope you will come back and visit us again soon. So, thank you and have a nice day. Thank you for watching. Say goodbye now to our Sila and friends. Say goodbye now.
Bye!
Oh, by the way, guys, if you love to have some souvenir photos with the lovely birds in our sea lions, please approach our friendly photographer right over here, wearing the white polo t-shirt. Thank you.